Good morning, students. I hope you're all fine. Okay. In this video, we are going to do the book back exercise in social studies and lesson number 14. Okay, lesson number 14, social studies. Okay, what is the topic? What is the topic of the lesson? The topic of the lesson is the festivals. The festivals we celebrate. Okay. You can take your book, turn your books to page number 91. Okay. First, we'll do the match the columns. Match the columns. First one, Gandhi Jayanti, Rajghat. Gandhi Jayanti, Rajghat. Okay. Second one, Dashra. Dashra, Ram Leela. Dashra, Ram Leela. Eid ul Fitr, Swine. Eid ul Fitr, Swine. Onam, Kerala. Celebrated in Kerala. Okay. Nowruz and Parsi New Year. Nowruz is Parsi New Year. I'll repeat one more time. Gandhi Jayanti, Rajghat. Gandhi Jayanti, Rajghat. Dashra, Ram Leela. Dashra, Ram Leela. Eid ul Fitr is Swine. Eid ul Fitr is Swine. Onam, Kerala. Onam, Kerala. Nowruz is Parsi New Year. Okay? Yes. Next we move on to the true or false. Write true or false. T for true and F for false. Okay. First one. We celebrate Independence Day on 26th January. The answer is false. Okay. When is it celebrated? It's on August 15th. So it is false. We celebrate Independence Day on 26th January is false. People play with colors on Diwali. The answer is false. People play with colors on Diwali. It is false. People play with colors on Holi only, not on Diwali. Okay. Yes. Next, third one. On 25th December, people celebrate Christmas. The answer is true. 25th December, people celebrate Christmas. Bihu is celebrated 3 times in a year. The answer is true. Bihu is celebrated 3 times in a year. The answer is true. And then last one. Dr. S. Radhakrishnan was fondly called the Nehru by called Chacha Nehru by children. It is false. It is not Dr. Radha. It is Nehru. Okay, so the answer is false. Okay. Yes. Next we move on to the question and answers. Question and answers. First question. Why do we celebrate national festivals? Why do we celebrate national festivals? The first question answer. Why? Because we celebrate national festivals to remember some important events. The answer is we celebrate national festivals to remember some important events. The answer. First question answer. Okay. Celebrate the national festivals to remember some important events. Second question. What is the second question? How is Republic Day celebrated in the capital of India? How is the Republic Day celebrated in the capital of India? How is celebrated? How is it celebrated? Second one answer. On Republic Day. Okay. On Republic Day, who hosts the national flag? The president. Okay. The president hosts the national flag at, where is the place? At Rajpath. Okay. On Republic Day, the president hosts the national flag at Rajpath. Then a grand parade is held at Rajpath. In which place? Rajpath. After that, the armed forces, police, folk dancers and school children participate in the parade. And children who have been given bravery awards are also a part of the parade. Tablock or a big attraction of this parade. This is the answer for the second question. Okay. How is it is Republic Day celebrated? It is Republic Day. The president who hosts the flag? President. Okay. And which place? At Rajpath. Okay. Yes. Next, moving on to the third question. Third question. What is the third question? The third question is, Why do we celebrate Independence Day? Why do we celebrate Independence Day? Why do we celebrate Independence Day? When is the Independence Day celebrated? Yes, you all know. When is it celebrated? On August 15th, isn't it? Yes. India became independent on 15th August 1947. India became independent on 15th August 1947. Therefore, we celebrate Independence Day on 15th August. On this day, we remember those who fought for the freedom of our country. Okay, when is Independence Day celebrated? It's on 15th August. On which year? 1947. Why do we celebrate? Because we remember the fighters who fought for the freedom of our country. So, in remembrance of those people, we celebrate the Independence Day. Okay, yes. Next, fourth question. How do we celebrate Holi? How do people celebrate Holi? Holi, how do they celebrate? People throw colored powder called gulal. Yes, you learned in the lesson, isn't it? Gulal, G-U-L-A-L, gulal. People throw colored powder called gulal and splash water on one another. People throw colored powder called gulal and splash water on one another. This is how they celebrate the Holi. And then the last question, final question is what do people do during Christmas? During Christmas, what does the people do? How do they celebrate Christmas? The answer is, on Christmas, people put up Christmas trees at home. Okay? People on Christmas Day, people put up Christmas trees at home and offices and decorate them. They attend special prayers in churches and exchange gifts. Okay, on Christmas time they celebrate. People put Christmas trees at home and they go to churches and office also, and they decorate them and they attend special prayers in the churches and exchange gifts. Okay, this is how they celebrate the Christmas. Okay, yes, I hope you understand. I just learned the five questions and then the match and the true or false. Okay, children, that's it for today. And homework, just learn all these question answers. Thank you.